Good morning, DeMarco. We're now on the backside of this storm as it moves into North Carolina and Virginia, but Georgia's seeing a lot of debris and tree damage. 60-mile-an-hour winds across the state, taking out big old sweep guns like this one. Spanish Mouse still thankfully missing homes and cars, but blocking this road. All the unfortunate hallmark of this very powerful, fast-moving storm.
This morning, Idalia wreaking havoc across the southeast. A path of destruction from Florida to the Carolinas. So far, at least 3 weather-related deaths. Widespread damage blanketing the area. I'm Maria Villarreal in Cedar Key.
The power of this hurricane is evident by the debris left behind. Take a look inside this business right here. The actual cement floor ended up on the street, feet away.
Idalia making landfall around 7:45 Wednesday morning, moving up near 125-mile-per-hour winds.
The eye wall slamming ashore in Perry, tearing down buildings, snapping trees like twigs, and submerging entire neighborhoods. In Florida's Big Bend region, just east of the Panhandle, storm surge reaching a record 6.8 feet.
My biggest concern is those people who chose not to evacuate.
Overnight, more than 250,000 customers still without power across the
I have camera.
You have to have the special tickets.
You gotta show me too.
Okay, let's do a hair close. Hey, go brush your teeth.
And then you end it well.
Come on, Kallista.